Some more news. The results of the 2020 census just came out, and for the first time in American history, the number of white people went down.
The idea that, whites will not be the majority, I mean, it's an exciting transformation of the country.
White Americans will soon be a minority, and that's great.
This is not going to be the country of white people.
The real craziness comes, if you like, from rural white Americans. In the end, they are not the future. In the end, the power they still have will go away.
Do we really need to do the fucking voice? But Matt, they're not trying to genocide white people. You're just a Nazi for thinking that.
Gosh.
Honestly, being right all the time is a fucking curse. It really is.